Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to get Moon Animator for free. Firstly, go to the official plugin page at Moon Animator 2 free plugins. You'll find the link in the description. Just click get or download. Now open Roblox Studio and at the top menu, go to Plugins, then Manage Plugins and click Plugins folder. Drag and drop the Moon Animator 2 file that you downloaded into the Plugins folder. Now close and restart Roblox Studio. After the restart, go to the Plugins tab in Roblox Studio. You should see the Moon Animator 2 there. Just click to open and start animating. And that's how you start creating animations on Roblox Studio using Moon Animator 2. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.